And while the snow can be a burden to some, it can be a big boost to business for others. Let's toss it to 22 News reporter Heath Kalb, who's live at our Franklin County Bureau with how today's snow was a big boost to local ski business.
Yes, Ciara, only a few inches fell at the base of the mountain in Charlemont at Berkshire East, but combined with a few inches that fell on Sunday, it created a busy and a fun day at the slopes. Fresh real snow is a skier's best friend, but for those who like to hit the slopes, this winter has been a disappointment. Monday night into Tuesday, though, all of western Massachusetts saw some accumulation. And for Berkshire East Ski Resort in Charlemont, it meant skiers saw conditions they've been waiting for all year. This new snow not only means better conditions on the mountain, it means teachers, students, and more are off for the day, meaning Berkshire East is as busy today on a Tuesday as it normally is on a Saturday.
So I'm a teacher at Frontier Regional, and we got a snow day today, so of course this is where I'm at.
Any day like we don't have school, we usually would come skiing.
And for the many students who had no class on Tuesday, like Harper and her friends, it meant being able to hit the slopes on a day where the weather was nice outside.
The skiing can be way different any different day. It can be like really icy one day, and it can be really soft one day.
And today, all four friends got to experience their favorite hobby where the slopes were just right.
I've never skied with this much powdery snow.
And,
I've never skied in powder in general.
Yeah.
Now there may be another chance for fresh powder at Berkshire East and all of Western Mass later in the week, and our 22 News Storm team will have continuing coverage and will update us on that. Working for you live in Greenfield out of the Franklin County Bureau. I'm Heath Kalb, 22 News.